Hello guys, welcome back to Cuda's Diecast Customs. Today we have another unboxing, but it's not a normal unboxing video. Today we have a new segment. Today is a wheeling and dealing with Diecast Graveyard. So, about a week ago, I sent Paul over at Diecast Graveyard a picture. I found an old beer-themed flatbed truck in some of my old stuff, and I sent a picture to him. And he's like, wow, I really would love that. So, I sent him it and a couple other things. It's been about 3 or 4 days since he sent this box right here, and we are gonna open it. So, let's see what we got. Trying not to show the tag or anything. Okay. Alright, so what I see so far, guys, is a bag. Ooh, shook the camera. Okay. Remember, use your safety stuff too, guys, when you're playing with some stuff like this. Alright, so whoa, we have a lot of cars here. Okay, bags and bags and wow, more bags. Oh god, what the? Okay, he warned me that this was gonna be full of stuff. Okay, ooh, Studebaker truck. I like this. This is cool. Wow, look at that. We got something to put on the shelf. Sweet. Oh, there we go. Well, look at this. So, this is also considered a mail call from a different guy. It's a man on Facebook, and I bought this off him, so I thought it would be pretty cool. Got a good deal on it, I think. So, this is a good little thing that we picked up here. And then there's one other thing too, but this is something he was telling me about. It's a speaker or a new mic that I can try out and use. He wasn't using anymore, so I'm going to try that out. We'll try that out on our video this week. Alright guys, let's dig into a couple of these bags. Let's see what we got. So, something that really triggered me was this. It's in a package, and it's wrapped. So, I'm kind of curious to see what this is. Oh, that's right. This is a trailer that I have to do a Cuda's Diecast Customs theme to. And Paul, like I promised, I will do one. He said the car is inside the trailer. Now, how do we get the trailer? Oh, God, stuff's taped. Hang on, guys, hang on. Alright. This is cool. Honestly, all I would do was slap a decal right on top of this. It's pretty as it is. Okay. Let's just do this. Try not to break it. Ooh. And look what it is. This is a 69 Charger. Nice. This is cool. And it has the tow hook on it. I have one of these, kind of, but it's black. And I thought about redoing it. But look at that. We got the car, and honestly, we have a truck that we could tow with this too. So that's pretty cool. Put that off to the side there. Alright, we'll grab this bag. Alright. Oh shoot. Sick. We got another jerry rig station wagon. Could never go wrong with the jerry rig station wagon. What else did we get? What do we got here? A Hot Wheels. It looks like it's a drag car. These wheels are really... I'm eyeing these wheels, but I like this whole car. Cool. We got a Johnny Lightning. Oh, wait, this ain't included. Not this time. It is a... What is the name of this one? Oh, it's a Galaxy. I freaking knew that. I am stupid sometimes, guys. Wow, look at that. Galaxy. I love that. That's nice. And again, Paul, thank you for everything. As always, buddy. I appreciate everything that you send me. This little car here. And we got Nomad. Cool. So, got these cars. I'm going to put them off to the side. I am throwing knives. I'm going to cut myself. Alright. Where do we go to next? Okay, so this bag was all like twisted and turned and stuff. Woo! Got some more cool stuff. So, we got a Snickers mobile with some fatty red line type tires on it. Hood opens. Probably do a drag car or something on this. We got a bug. Rat Rod bug. Something like we did a while back, if you guys remember. Maybe we can make another one. Ooh. The King Cuda. Always a good little culprit right there. I need to do one of these. What do we got here? Ford Coupe with some cool moon wheels. I like that. There's one more car in here. Oh, nice. Look at that. A VW T2 pickup. Look how shiny that is. Man. Maybe we can make this to a shop truck or something. A little different. Okay. That's that bag. Okay. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna start out. We got a Dodge Challenger. It's pretty sick. Some cool wheels on it. We got another King. Oh, yeah. That's a Plymouth Duster. I apologize. No, that other one was. That was right. We got a Got Milk van. I haven't done a van. I mean, like a milk truck yet. I should. I know someone who would like this. Somo, or Somo Diecast. He has his own car, just like this. It's cool. A Matchbox, super fast, 57 Chevy. Hood opens. Might just do some detail on this and change the wheels. That's cool. And a Mainline's red bearing. That's always cool. Cool. Paul, I don't know how I can thank you, man. I gave you some simple stuff and you went all out here. Next time we do something trade related, I'm just giving you this stuff. Okay, so we got some got some cool stuff in here. Ooh. A Chevy Nomad Dragster. There's a lot of stuff here that I might just put in my collection. Just call it a day. Nice. A Hot Wheels. It's pretty much just a El Camino panel van. That's cool. The Musketeers. Very smooth. Alright, we got... Yikes. Something from Hot Wheels. I forget what these... it's a Nash, I believe. But it's a drag car. It's pretty sweet. Oh. Datsun. Can never go wrong with a cool Datsun. Cool wheels. Couple more. Got another truck. Dodge. No, 677 C10. Oh my gosh. I am tired. And a Bugatti Aeron. Very nice. Last baggie. Oh gosh. There's some stuff in here. Oh, I know what this is. This is the Ghost Rider charger. That's pretty sweet. I mean, honestly, I just switch the wheels out, take the flames off, and just make it a Fast and Furious charger. But that's just me. Another bone shaker. Parts car, or custom, not sure yet. A fixer-upper 64 Impala. Don't know what I'd do with this, but we'll figure it out. And last but not least, looks like a Toyota with a big old monster motor in the back. That sure is different. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a lot of cool stuff here. And Paul, thank you as always for sending me some cool stuff. I owe you again, so let me know whatever you need. And guys, if there's ever a time you want to do some wheeling and dealing, just let me know. Guys, have a good day, and I will see you in the next one.